Welcome to Twin Busch. There's a new tips and tricks episode. Today it's about wheel balancers with a motorcycle balancing adapter. This system's big advantage, in comparison to a normal wheel balancing stand, is that a motorcycle wheel can also be dynamically balanced like a car wheel. And not only statically in the conventional way. When balancing rear wheels, it's particularly important to do the following. A chainring is mounted on the rear wheel. A shock absorber is integrated here in the sporty and powerful mopeds. It must be removed before balancing. For the following reason, the wheel has its own bearings on both sides, and the chainring has a bearing. This means the shock-absorbing rubbers are taken out. The chainring is put aside. Then we look for suitable cones to fit the bearing that is being guided.
Die in das Lager passen, das geführt ist. So, sucht sich noch eine.
Now look for a suitable spacer. Put on the fixing nut.
So. Jetzt ist es
Now the whole wheel is mounted on the shaft wobble-free.
Ja. Danach.
Then lighten the holding arms a bit. And release them.
Innenseitig. So.
Enter the values of the rim now. The distance to the first balancing weight is 26 centimeters in this case. Then we enter the rim width. It's 5 inches in this case. 17 inches diameter. Remove all balancing weights. Close the cover.
So.
The wheel has been dynamically balanced now. I will repeat this process with the front wheel. Keep in mind, the values have to be set again for the front wheel.
So.
I have entered the values for the front wheel. 17 inches diameter, the distance to the first weight, rim width 3.5 inches. The old balancing weight were removed. If the rim is wide enough for normal adhesive weights to be taped on the rim, the dynamic program is used. For chopper rims, spoke rims from Enduro, or similar, You can also switch to the static program. Simply press the F button in the program. Then the weight value and ST are shown on the display. ST stands for static program. In the static program, a weight is placed exactly in the middle of the rim or it's clamped on the spoke. There are such weights as well. They are set on the spoke or in the middle of the rim.
Oder mittig in die Felge.